Hi, Faith is back home safe and sound. Okay, not really safe and sound. She was ready to kick back and, take on the what do they call it? What's that ladder? Do they call that one for the corporate ladder? Yes, but obviously, Ona and Laz saw through her. They noticed that she did not have her ring on. They noticed that she was faking and making it as if she was okay. And we know that not everything is okay. You do jama bullet to gelly and enye into enzakala kuyena ukuthi nje cishe washabalala nje umpuphethe kwekhanda. So they know and they thought, let us go and ask baqhubeka ntoni because ayikho ke le ayikho. So when they went there, they found her because she said she was going to her room, freshen up and go to work. I don't know, but we are in so that she can go to work because ubi KZN hangas. But anyway, that's what they said. And then as she goes upstairs, this is the part right here where they found her. Ow, ukeli wavele wakhala. Strong bogoto that has been bogotoring all this time now broke down into tears, and she was just taking it all out. And then she just realized, "Nkosi yami, cishe ngashona la, ngishona indoda." Give a man a chance and see what happens. This is what I mean, I still saying ngisasesayidini lika Faith bakwethu she did nothing wrong. As a matter of fact, she says now ukuthi yena if there's one thing, she does not want to be on the wrong side of the law because of a man, and she's packing her bags and leaving, and then here it is. Now umndeni ke awusekho right. Oh, niyamkhumbula uSibahle? uSibahle, she's the one that is saying ke ngoku sana that umndeni awusafani since uFaith ehambile ubaba umuncu. Awukakakade sisi, kanti what was your expectation when you were reviving your father's fiancé? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing A House of Zwide. Ndimadekwana sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani hifukile hingongwina so namuhla ka nongolokwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma koroslo semsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Usibusiso had a conversation no sis wakhe udadewabo amtshela ukuthi no, but what you've done is wrong, but then because we are family forever ngizokuxolela, but into eyenzile ayikho right because now ubaba umuncu akasafuna ukusikhulumisa kuvele nje kurefula ekhaya nje. Yes, this is exactly what happens when people are trying to be mean to other people, and then untombi ayenze uFaith islima time and time again. Yeah, so I'm just glad ukuthi umamazala likes uFaith. She thinks uFaith is a good person. Asho ukuthi unenhliziyo enhle, siyaxolisa ngale eyenzakele, lesenzo lesi asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa siyakuthanda, siyafuna uhlale lana makoti. Kodwa ke uFaith, she chose herself first. She chose himself to come back home and just focus on other things because ngathi le ndaba le yomshado ngathi ayihambi kahle because neringi sekalahle phansi ugeli ngathi uqhubeka nempilo yakhe. On the other hand ke uEzekiel has started with this watch Tembisa Town Dark whatever, and it looks like inhliziyo zabantu uzozitshontsha because everyone is just falling for this thing and I don't understand why. But on the other hand, Isaac looks very bad in the eyes of people because he looks like umphathi ongayenzeli abantu lutho, and he's just sitting there and being quiet while he's supposed to say something, and it's hurting him because the way they're portraying it for some unknown reason. I think it's two people, Ukata no Ezekiel, is two people that hate each other, but they are together because they've got a common enemy who is Isaac Mulapo, and they want to take him down. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Have a beautiful Friday. I love you so much, and I will see you on my next upload.